Man, look here, man. What's really going on, man? I'm riding in a truck, man. A nigga dog sneezed on me, man. Everybody tell me my damn dog sneeze, man. That motherfucker about got coronavirus. I just heard that shit on the news this morning. There wasn't nothing for this motherfucker to sneeze on me, man. Man, I grab that motherfucker and throw that bitch out the truck. Fuck that motherfucker sneeze on me for, man. Goddamn dog, man. Then that motherfucker was a mutt. That motherfucker was a basket home. A bass home. Whatever the fuck. What the fuck is a bass home? These motherfuckers sneezing and shit, man. And sneezed all in my damn eye. My shit burning and everything. Man, what the fuck? Motherfucking dog sneezing and shit, man. If I knew that bitch was gonna sneeze on me, man, I wouldn't have never goddamn got in that truck with that motherfucker. Motherfucking dog sneezing and shit. Man, hold on, man. What really going on, man? Cause this dog had a virus, man. Come on, man. Man, make a long conversation short, man. That damn dog sneezed on me, man. What the fuck? I take this bitch to the doctor and said this bitch goddamn got the virus. Cause this bitch got Cobra 19. I'm killing this motherfucker. Yeah, this bitch gonna go. But anyway, man, this motherfucker sneezed all in my eye. Motherfucker chihuahua mixed with a bass, huh? I don't know what that shit is, man. But anyway, man, that bitch sneezed like a fat man. I don't understand that dog sneezing and shit. What the fuck he feeding this motherfucker? Table food, pork, steaks and shit. Extra mayonnaise and shit on him. Man, what the fuck? But anyway, man, let me get this motherfucker checked out. Cause I ain't going out like that, not by no dog. I'll let you.